Today I'm going to show you how to tint your eyelashes and eyebrows at home for literally pennies. The eyebrows frame the face, and when they're blonde or gray or just too light, you can look washed out. I know I do. So I love to have mine dark, and I also love to have my eyelashes dark because they make my eyes stand out. My eyebrows used to be thin and sparse and very blonde until I found this product, Grande Lash. I've been using it for a couple of years now, and my eyebrows are twice as thick as they used to be. Walmart is the best place to buy it, and I recommend you use a derma roller before you put it on to roll your eyebrows. This is a roller that has little pins. It pokes little holes in your skin so that your product can absorb better. If you do this to your eyebrows before you put your Grande Lash on, it'll absorb better and you'll get your eyebrows growing thicker, quicker. It's made my eyelashes a lot longer. They came out with a new product called Grande Lips, and it plumps your lips up in the moment, and it also has been proven to plump them up over time. I also use the derma roller on my lips before I put it on. I got this tint and developer on Amazon for $20, I think, all three of them. You mix the developer with the tint, and the consistency should be not as liquidy as the developer, but not as thick as the tint. Somewhere in between is perfect. The one for my eyebrows that I'm using is called Natural Brown number 3. And I'm just liberally putting it on there because I don't want to miss any of the brows that might have been turned blonde. And in a few places I'm putting it on my skin because I want to stain my skin. Now for my other eyebrow, I really have no hair right there in the corner, so I'll put a lot in there and go all the way across to the end. And then I'll wipe off the excess with a Q-tip. Get this bit off the top here. New Q-tip. It just started growing them in here, and I kind of like it, although it's not perfect yet, but I kind of like it. Get that bit off the top, get a new Q-tip. You see, I have a whole lot on there. Now for the eyelashes. Number 1, are profound. About the same amount in here. And the developer. I'm using tape, but they make these little things that tape underneath your eye so you don't get the product down on your eye. But I don't have any, so I'm gonna use tape underneath the eyelashes. Start with my left eye. And I put it up on top of my eyelid too, and that gives me a little bit of a line. I already have permanent makeup up there, but I just don't like not having this part really dark. And I always wear makeup, so it's not like I'm tinting these because I want to go without makeup. I'm tinting these because even when I put mascara on, right here at the baseline of my eye, you can still see those little blonde hairs and it bugs me. And you look better without makeup. I don't really address the bottom ones too much because I don't have that lash line problem on the bottom. But take the tape off in my eye and look up here and make sure there's no tint that could possibly get in my eye. Nope, nothing. Really hope. Look under here, make sure there's nothing that could get in my eye. My brows weren't that light, so they're probably ready to go. I'll take them off now. I'm using Neutrogena makeup wipes for this. I did this side first. Just keep wiping until there's nothing on your wipe. See, aren't they better? A little red. And now I'll take off the tint. I take a dry Kleenex first, and I pull down my bottom lashes, and I get anything that's comes up on the top like that, because I don't want to wipe down and get it, risk it getting in my eye. I'll do that on the other side as well. I'll go in with the Neutrogena wipe and wipe up like that. You just want to wipe up. Because you could risk getting it in your eye. And just keep wiping until there's nothing else on your wipe. So much better. Thanks for watching.